Hey there, it's your girl Krista, and I'm so excited to share my thoughts on the One Audio OpenRock Pro wireless open-ear air conduction earbuds with you all. I've been using them for a few weeks now, and I must admit, I'm loving them. I really like their sleek design and how comfortable they feel when I wear them. I also love that they're water resistant, which means that I can wear them while I'm cleaning the house or taking a walk or a bike ride without worrying about damaging them. One of the things that sets these earbuds apart from the competition is their unique open ear design. The sound quality is also top-notch. The vocals are clear and the bass response is pretty impressive too. Plus, the earbuds are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them perfect for workouts, outdoor activities, or just for daily use. I've been using them for my daily guided meditations with Dr. Joe, and also in practicing along to on-demand yoga classes. And I really appreciate how clear the sound is, but also how lightweight the earbuds feel around my ears. These earbuds use air conduction technology, which allows you to hear what's going on around you while still enjoying your music or taking phone calls. This is a game changer, especially if you're someone who's always on the go and needs to be aware of your surroundings. One of the things that I love most about these earbuds is the touch controls. They're easy to use, which means I can change songs, answer phone calls, and even activate my voice assistant without having to fumble around with my phone. I'm always on the go, so this is a huge plus for me. In terms of battery life, these earbuds are really impressive. I was able to use them for a solid 10 hours on a single charge. Another great feature of these earbuds is the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. I've never experienced any dropouts or connectivity issues while using these earbuds. And the touch controls are super easy to use. You can change songs, answer phone calls, and even activate your voice assistant with just a few taps. Overall, I'm really impressed with One Audio OpenRock Pro wireless open-ear air conduction earbuds. The design is sleek and comfortable, and the sound quality is impressive. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that provide a unique listening experience, I highly recommend giving the One Audio OpenRock Pro earbuds a try. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to learn more about these impressive earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.